Photography is an art that allows us to capture moments, express creativity, and share stories through images. To master this craft, here are a few photography tips to keep in mind. Firstly, understanding composition is crucial. The rule of thirds, leading lines, and symmetry can help create visually appealing photographs. Experimenting with different perspectives and angles can also add depth and interest to your shots. Lighting plays a significant role in photography. Natural light is often preferred, especially during the golden hour, which occurs shortly after sunrise or before sunset. However, artificial lighting can be used creatively for indoor or night photography. Choosing the right camera settings is essential for capturing the desired effect. Shutter speed controls the amount of light and motion in a photo. Aperture determines the depth of field, and ISO affects the sensitivity to light. Balancing these settings can lead to well-exposed and sharp images. A crucial aspect is establishing a personal style. Explore different genres of photography, experiment with different editing techniques, and find what resonates with you. This unique style will help your photos stand out and create a cohesive body of work. Above all, practice is key. Carry your camera wherever you go. Attempt different photography projects and learn from both successes and failures. Reflect on the work of experienced photographers, but also develop your own perspective and voice. With these essential tips, you are well on your way to becoming a skilled photographer. So, grab your camera and let your creative vision unfold.